72M, Oakland Amtrak Station, then Pablo Avenue. 72M, Oakland Amtrak Station, then Pablo.
Help keep AC transit safe and secure by reporting any concerns to your operator. Exit through rear doors of McDonald and go louder.
72M, Oakland Amtrak Station, then Pablo Avenue.
And 7, Kaiser Hospital.
72M, Oakland Amtrak Station, then Pablo Avenue. 72M, Oakland Amtrak Station, then Pablo Avenue.
Approaching Richmond Station and
72M, Oakland Amtrak Station, then Pablo Avenue. 72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue. 72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue.
Did anybody call 911?
72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue.
rear doors if possible. Approaching from Pablo and McDonald.
72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue. 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 M, Point Richmond, McDonald. 72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue.
Approaching McDonald and 36 Blue Special Plaza.
72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue. 72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue.
Approaching McDonald and 23rd.
72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue. 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 72M, Point Richmond, McDonald. 72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue.
Approaching West McDonald and Curry.
72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue. 72 McDonald Avenue. 72M, Point Richmond, McDonald Avenue.
Approaching Kingsbury and Paxton.